What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. Now in today's video I'll be showing you how I make up these delicious garlic bread nuts. So guys, let's get started. So here are my ingredients I'll be using. I have here some all-purpose flour, some sugar, some salt, some oil, some warm water, and today I'll be using the pizza yeast. The pizza yeast is quick, simple, and easy. It's a fast acting yeast. So now guys, I'm just gonna dissolve my yeast into the water. I could just put it into the flour, but when you dissolve the yeast, it distributes more evenly throughout the flour. And I'm gonna add my oil. Here I'm using grapeseed oil. You could use olive oil or vegetable oil, and some sugar. Now I'm gonna combine the salt and the flour. And guys, it is just that easy, and basically your dough is basically ready. So now I'm just gonna pour the wet mixture into the dry and form it into a dough. And guys, trust me, these garlic bread bites are something to die for. Once you try this once, you won't need to go store-bought again, or you won't need to go to Domino's or whichever pizza place you have down the road. It's quick, simple, easy, and trust me, it's affordable. So after I'm finished kneading it, I'm just going to let it rest for about 5 minutes because I've worked the dough. So I'm just going to let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. It's not necessary, but I'm just going to let it rest for a little bit. Now I'm going to form my nuts. So I'm just going to divide the dough into two halves, so it's easier for me to work with. And guys, if you have reached thus far in the video and you haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscription button, turn on the post notification bell that says all, so you never miss any of my upload, and you will be first to be notified each time I make a new upload. So guys, I'm just rolling this into a little log, like a little cylinder shaped log. And I'm going to cut these into bite-sized pieces. Here you could make it how big or how small you want. There's no right or wrong way to do this right here. And guys, if you are not able to make the nuts, you could just roll them up or leave them just as is and put them on your tray. It's a free size kind, freestyle. It's a kind of freestyle design with your garlic bread nuts. So I'm just going to roll it out in a little log. It's kind of hard to explain, so if you can see what I'm doing, just look what I'm doing, and then you'll be able to make yours. And there you have it, our first garlic bread nuts down. And of course I have my line pan with parchment paper. So I roll, I pull around, I come through, and I bring the other one just on top. Nice and snug. final one, just in case you forgot how to make them. And guys, I make this ever so often because it's quick, simple, and easy. And it's a family favorite. So now I'm going to bake these in a 375-degree oven for about 12 minutes. Meanwhile that's baking, I'm going to go ahead and prepare my garlic butter mixture. So here I have a stick of butter melted. I'm going to add my garlic powder. You could use fresh garlic if you like. My parsley flakes. You could use fresh parsley also if you like. My onion powder. And to give it that nice flavor, I like some Italian seasoning. And now for my salt element, I'm going to grate about 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. This is totally optional, but trust me guys, if you do it, you will not regret it. We don't want to add no salt, or salt will come from the Parmesan cheese. And it's that easy guys. Our garlic butter sauce is ready to dunk our little bundle of niceness into. These are our little bundle of snug. So guys, I'm just going to remove these and just add them to the garlic butter mixture while they are still hot. Now we're going to give this a good toss. And there you have it, my beautiful people, our homemade garlic bread cheesy knots. Guys, you will absolutely love this. And I serve this up with my marinara sauce, and trust me guys, this was something to talk about. Guys, if you do like this recipe, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more amazing recipe like this one, just hit the subscription button and turn on the post notification bell so you never miss any of my upload. And also guys, let me know in the comment section what you think about this recipe, and if you do try this recipe, you could also tag me on Instagram at toyaskitchen and let me know how yours turned out. Until then, my beautiful people, I thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another one. Bye bye.